back to my channel. It's me, Barry the Bear, and today we're going to be unboxing some fidgets. So let's get into some unboxing. The first fidget I'm going to unbox is this fidget spinner, which is also a pop-it. I've never gotten one of these, so I'm really excited. So let's open it. Whoa, so you can spin it and you can pop the bubbles. It's like a simple dimple. Here's the first one, and it has some patterns. Now let's open the second one. It has the same exact pattern. Here's the second one. And here's the third one. The third one has this thing to attach to your bags. And you can hang it over here. Now the next one I'm going to unbox is big. So I've never gotten this squishy stress ball dumpling, but I heard that's really fun, so I'm going to open it. Whoa, it's so soft. Guys, I'm serious. This is like literally so soft. And it even has the details too. It even smells good. And I also got another one. Here's the other one. It feels exactly the same. It kind of changes color from like a yellow white to a very white. On the camera, it doesn't look that yellow, but in real life, it's like more yellow. It's really squishy and jiggly. And it really smells good. So guys, out of this unboxing, my favorite fidget that I got today are the dumplings. Second is this fidget spinner, and the third one is this one. Why I like the dumplings the most, because they're so soft and smell so good. Why I like the fidget spinners second, because I kind of like stress balls more than like pop-its and stuff. But the fidget spinners are really cool because in the same time you can pop the bubbles and you can spin it. And it's really satisfying. And you can take it on the go because it's small. You don't need to carry something big. So if you're bored and you're out, you can just take one of these with you. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure to like this video if you enjoy it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you really enjoy my videos. And make sure to stay tuned to my videos because I'll be posting soon. Bye!